Or what I'm going to show you how to do right now is how to put in your sizes for the free t-shirt and hat on the Troop 4 order website. So for the first 5 days until Thursday at 11:59 p.m. is only going to be for filling out the free hat and t-shirt for your scouts. So the troop is going to be providing a free hat and a free t-shirt for all scouts in the troop. So you have to make sure that you put the full name of the parent, as we're going to be checking to make sure we only order one hat and one t-shirt per scout. But so all the sizing is right. So first thing you want to do is go to troop4.graphicincsb.com. Next, what you're going to want to do is, once you see the logo, put in the password, which is SBTroop4, as you can see right here. So then you click Continue to Store, and you can see that there's the t-shirt and the hat. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to order it for me, Ben, and my brother, Aiden. So first I'm going to go to the t-shirt. There's only one color, so you can just leave that. What you want to do is, if you're only getting it, if you only have one scout that you're ordering for, you're just going to put your size in here. Small, medium, large, extra large, and then as goes. There's no child sizes in here, so and it's just going to be a little big, but they fit pretty tight because they're a dry fit t-shirt. So I would be medium. But since I'm ordering for me and Aiden, I'm going to put my size in here, and I'm going to click Add Multiple down here. So I can click and then Add More right here, and I can put my medium and Aiden's adult small. Then click, once you have all of the sizes for all of your scouts in, click Add to Cart. Remember, only do this for your scouts. Parents will be able to buy more t-shirts, and if you want to buy more t-shirts and or hats for your scouts, you can do that in the next store, which will be starting probably next Friday. So I'm going to click Continue Shopping because we still need to put the hats in. So next I'll go to the hats. And since there's only two sizes, or since there's only one size of hat, as it says here, I'm just going to click 2 hats just for me and Aiden and click Add to Cart. So now I can go to the cart. I can see, just to confirm, that I have 1 medium and 1 small and 2 hats. That's for me and Aiden. So then click Proceed to Checkout. Don't worry, it's going to say the price here, but all of this stuff is going to be billed to the troop instead of to your credit card. I'll show you that later. So it's taking me to the checkout page. You need to put in your email address. Whatever email address you want to use, you can use, but please make sure that it's an email that we can email, because we're going to be emailing everyone to confirm that we have the right sizes for everyone. If you accidentally put in more t-shirts than you have scouts, we're going to be emailing you to double check to make sure that that doesn't happen, and we'll fix that because we have a master list of every scout in the troop. So I'm going to put in my email. That's spl@sbtroop4.org. Continue. So you're going to click Pick Up at Troop Meeting, because we're going to be bringing all the items pre-packaged in a cardboard box and delivering them to you within the next few weeks once all this stuff is done. So again, click Continue. And for payment method, you're just going to click Arrange Later, because remember, it's going to be billing the troop, not you. So my email address is here, my estimated pickup date, billing info, all that stuff. And just double check everything before you order and click Place Order. So my order has been placed, And if you'd like to create an account, which I recommend you do, it's just going to make everything easier in the future. You should create an account just because if you're going to be ordering more stuff, it's going to save your preferences, and then you can also log in to see how your order's going. They're going to be putting stuff on the website to make sure that everything's going good. So that is it for Troop Force Store. If you have any questions, you can email me. My email is and phone number is at the bottom of each agenda, but I'll give it to you now. It's ben@benbishops.com. That's ben@benbishops.com. All right, I'll see you in the next video or a troop meeting. Remember to call or email if you have any questions. Thank you.